let's see what we find at this call. Alright guys, we're at this call for water leaking at the bottom. You can see all that right there. This came from underneath. All this moisture, all this wetness. Check this out. Can I do this one-handed? The whole toilet is completely loose. Completely loose. Look at that. The flange is going to have to probably be replaced, so I'm going to quote them for the flange. And I tested the water shut off. It shuts off. It shuts off. Pull it back up. So you're definitely gonna need a gasket. You're gonna need tank bolts. And I'm gonna say a flange as well. So I'm gonna hook them up for all that. Let's see what we can do. But that toilet should not be that loose at all. That's why you're gonna have all that water problem. Yep. Alright, so let's get this wrapped up and quote the job. Alright guys, so we're leaving that customer's house now. Get back to the van. Oh, it's dark. Get back to the van and submit my quote. If you are in the Bucks County, Pennsylvania, or surrounding area, give us a phone call, 908-476-8921.